The topic of today's video is how to fix the Microsoft Store not opening on Windows 10 or 11. Quick disclaimer, I am using Windows 11. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to change our language and region settings. And we can do that by going to the search bar and just typing in region. And you'll see it over here, region settings. Click on that. And over here, we can edit our country or region. So you can see mine over there. And we can also change our regional format, but it's not really necessary, as well as changing your date and time right over here. So make sure your time zone is set correctly. And then we want to click on language and region and make sure that our display language is also set correctly and that we have the correct language packs for that. Now you'll see once I change my display language, it's going to ask me to sign out. So what you will just do is then sign out, and I would also say restart your PC. See if that fixes the problem. If it doesn't, which it usually does, what you want to do is then also reset the Microsoft Store. So what we're going to do is go search, and we're just going to type in WS reset. And you're going to run the command up here. And once that's done, it's going to open up the Windows Store. And that should fix your problem. I really hope it does. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing. And if you know any other fixes, drop them down in the comment section below.